Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the error Windows script host error in Appdata to backslash local backslash updates backslash run dot vbs line 31 char 1 error. The system cannot find the file specified. Let's fix that error guys. For that, go to Google Chrome, check my video description for this link. You just need to click on the download option in here, select it and download it guys. Wait for it, this will automatically download up here. After getting download done, click on the arrow mark, select show in folder. We just downloaded folder auto runs. Right click on it and select extract all. Select extract it. After getting extracted, just need to open up folder like this. Right click on the auto runs 64. Select run as administrator and select yes. Select agree and opens like this one. You just need to click on quick filter search in here and you just need to search for VBS. If you find anything red mark in here, if you find any red marks items, you just want to right click on it and select delete it guys. I don't having this error, that's why I'm not getting it. If you find anything red marked, you just want to right click on it and select delete guys. There will be option delete option, you just need to delete it. After deleting it, close out of here everything and go ahead and restart your PC guys. After restarting, your problem will be resolved. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.